It's your girl, the natural guru. Natural guru. What's up, Guru Gang? I am back with another video, and this is going to be a nail video. One of my first of many, y'all. So I wanted to show y'all all of the things I brought for Amazon. That will be linked down below. Each thing, I looked up reviews for each one of these, and I was just hoping on a star, wishing on a star that everything was going to work out great. So I am making press-on nails for the first time for myself, and we're just going to do a series of learning how to do it and to just get better at making my own nails, because baby, I thought it wasn't as hard as I thought, but I did mess up. So I'm going to let y'all know that. So I am going to put a layer of acrylic over these press-on nails. I've seen people do that before. Um, and when we get to that part, I'll let y'all know how I messed that up. So they did say use that Macart glue, and it was really well. These nails, y'all, did not fit my thumb, but I used them anyway. But these nails did fit. So let's get into this video. Oh yeah, I brought this gel nail polish for like $22 or $25, y'all. It is so pigmented. I love it. So red is the color I will be using today. This is what came in that little package, that kit, basically for press-on nails for beginners like me. And hopefully you who is watching these videos, you get 2 of the stands. You know, you have 5 fingers, so it's 5 things for each finger. Right now I am measuring out each nail, and of course my thumbnail did not fit. So from the videos I watched, it said I need to buff first. So that's what I began to do. I guess it's to get the shine off of those before I apply the acrylic, maybe to get a base that is more um, able to take on an acrylic. So I poured that monomer in there, and they said Mia Secrets products is very good. So I got a little container of the acrylic and a bottle of monomer from them. So as y'all can see, I do not know what I'm doing, y'all. I'm patting, I'm dipping, I'm wiping off. I'm just trying to figure it out. In the video that I seen, the lady used a thin layer of acrylic. But you know what I wanted to do? I wanted to go in and do what I wanted to do, baby. I used too much acrylic to the point where I had to buff the nails so much to get most of the acrylic off, because it had basically shrunk, in my opinion. So it was so hard putting these nails on. The nails was too tight on my nail beds, girl. It was a mess. They did not come out looking horrible, but again, this is my first time doing it. So applying the acrylic, I really got too happy. I was so excited that I was applying acrylic for the first time. Like, you would have thought that I had won $1 million, how much I kept going over it with acrylic. And this how it looks. It looks fine right here, baby. When we get the buffing and I start to pull it on my finger, y'all, my pinky finger, it looks like a hard rock. A rock. It looked like I'm putting a stone on my finger, and it's supposed to be a little cute nail, and it was not that sort. Okay, look at this. Look at this. I did not like it at all. So I am going to go in with this alcohol to get all the dust off from the shaping and the buffing. And I'm going to take this red color from the gel set that I got. And I love these colors. They're so pigmented. There were complaints in the comments of this product that the bottles were too small. But I think they're great for beginners. But if you trying to buy them for a nail shop, these won't work for you. But as far as like a personal set of fall colors, these are great. So after I do about 2 coats and I cure, I go in with some rhinestones y'all will be seeing soon. This to add a little pizzazz to the nail. I didn't really have time to do much else, so I wanted to just make them stick out or stand out and I think the rhinestone was like really cute. The nail glue was a 10 out of 10. It worked great. The lamp was a 10 out of 10, and I had to go through many reviews. So all in all, the nail did not come out bad. It did not come out horrible, but trial and error. This is my first time, and I just can't wait to do it again and show y'all. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know of any tips that y'all have down below in the comments. And I'll see y'all in another video, Guru Gang. I love y'all. Subscribe. Bye.